Okay, before I get into today's video, let's read some fan mail real quick. Bro, focus on better thing in your life. Like losing weight, it will be the best thing you ever do. Okay, I'm glad you guys are so concerned about my weight because I'm not. I have a widescreen, camera, so all of me fits in the frame for one. And for two, you guys really don't know my personal life, so you don't know if I'm on a diet or not. I could be, I could not be. Who knows? So maybe I am losing weight. Either way, not really any of your business, and you're wasting your time with comments like this. But if you want to continue to, call me fat ass and blah blah blah, well, then do it, I guess. I don't know what you want me to say. So, I tell you one thing though, it doesn't offend me. So, there are plenty of people who don't like me and have called me several names other than attacking my weight. So, this is child's play. It's nothing. You can't please everyone. So, just be yourself, bro. That's what you can really do. Anyway, today's video is all about the classic buckle Watchband. And this is for the 42 millimeter Apple Watch, and I chose black. This is actually a review unit, so I do get to keep it, but they do want me to make a video on it, and I'm very late on doing that. So, let's go ahead and open it up. That's easy. A little screwdriver. Maybe to adjust something on the buckle. I don't know. And it comes out just like that. So, I would assume. Okay. So the buckle part goes on top, and this part goes on the bottom. So let's go ahead and put it on the Apple Watch right now. Right here. So. Alright, and it is on. There you go. Personally, not really my first pick, but I mean, it looks nice, so I'll try it for a couple days and see how I like it. But yeah, there you go, guys. Here's a closer look. Not bad, not bad. The connectors up here at the top are silver and not the same color, but it doesn't really. It looks nice anyway, so there you go. You can see it a little better. Maybe. Focus. This camera never focuses on the front. It always focuses in the background. I don't know why. Like, there you go. So you can see silver parts with next to gold. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's not bad. So anyway, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like at the bottom. I would appreciate it. If you want to leave a comment that I'm a fat ass and I need to lose weight and go exercise, then you can do that too, and I'll just reply that this has nothing to do with the video, but that's your choice. So, this world's full of choices. You want to insult me to feel better about yourself, have at it. Thanks for watching.